This is Jan from Computer Gurus. Today we're fixing a HP laptop. It's got a broken screen. So what we're going to do is first turn off the screen, and then once that's done we just disconnect the charge. And on the back of the laptop we have to make sure that the battery is disconnected. So what we're going to do is take the back off, and we'll disconnect the battery here. So now it's safe to take off the screen. And the next step is to take the screen off. So what we're going to do is just remove this, and we just have to take the screws off. So we've got 4 screws that needs to be taken off: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what I'm going to do is just quickly take these out. And once you take these off, you just pull the screen up from the top, and you just have to disconnect to here, which is on the back, and then you just have to order the part from the back of the number, then replace the screen. Thank you for watching.